Muscles are soft tissues composed of cells that have the unique ability to contract and relax, enabling movement, generating force, and maintaining posture through a complex interplay of biochemical processes and interactions between proteins, specifically actin and myosin, which operate via the sliding filament theory to facilitate muscle contractions. Muscle contraction begins when a nerve impulse stimulates muscle fibers, triggering the release of calcium ions that bind to regulatory proteins, thereby exposing binding sites on actin filaments for myosin heads to attach, allowing the subsequent power stroke that pulls the filaments past each other and creates tension. To fuel these contractions, muscles rely on adenosine triphosphate, ATP, as the primary energy source, which is generated through various metabolic pathways including aerobic respiration and anaerobic glycolysis, allowing for sustained activity and the ability to perform tasks ranging from simple movements to intense physical exertion. Muscles are composed of different types of fibers, primarily slow-twitch and fast-twitch fibers, each serving distinct functions in endurance and strength activities, and following exercise, they undergo a recovery process where micro tears in the muscle fibers heal, leading to muscle hypertrophy and improved strength. Proper nutrition plays a critical role in muscle health and performance, as proteins provide the essential amino acids necessary for repairing and building muscle tissue, making it important for individuals to consume adequate amounts of protein along with carbohydrates and fats to support energy levels and overall muscle function. Additionally, muscles work in coordination with the skeletal system, where they are attached to bones by tendons, enabling smooth and efficient movement across joints, and thus proper warm-up and stretching routines are essential to prepare the muscles for activity and prevent injuries.